I don't know.
Hey!
All right, good morning. Hi.
Where are you?
You can't see anybody? I'm not wearing camouflage. You guys ready to get up?
No.
You don't wanna? Should I sit on you guys?
No!
You saved your life. Didn't you see, just saved your life. Is the iPad behind the pillow?
Yes. Really, but mommy does, mommy does. I say nose and does.
Well, we need to get up, so let's go brush your teeth, brush your hair,
What?
wash your face, and get dressed. No, go on, let's go.
No, we're gonna change our underwear up.
Good, sounds good. This is no way to start a Monday, but oh well. Could be worse. Could be snow. Not even nearly cold enough. But should have raked those up and bagged them. Not going to be easy now. We haven't got rain here in Charlotte in a while though, so it's nice to get some rain for a little bit. And when I say a while, I mean like 3 weeks. I could sit here and watch this for a while. Very relaxing. Very relaxing, especially with all the pretty fall colors and leaves on the trees. Or coming off the trees, I should say. Not many leaves left on the trees. Wow. The girls guessed today on how many leaves are left on that tree. They called it an estimate. They estimated about 50. I'd say there's only about 30 left now. Looked like something was trying to build a nest up in there too. Right about here. I'll have to check that out when it stops raining. Looks like it's slowing down. Wall's tree looks nice now. Finally. Took forever to change. It's a very oddly shapen tree. I was thinking we may need a excuse me, we may need like a red tree over here. Wow, that was lightning. We need a red tree over here. Give the neighborhood some more color down here. Obviously that was thunder. Not much thunder, but it's thunder. Alright. Kaboom. Alright. Back to work. Everybody ready? Everybody got their peanut oil to fry your turkey? Yeah, it's going down this year. Again. Frying turkeys. Be ready for it, y'all. It's gonna go down. Thanksgiving morning, I'll be in my driveway frying turkeys. Anybody want their turkey fried? Come bring it to me. if you know where I live. If you don't, let me know. Tweet me. Ryebreads Fried. Ryebreads 5. Tweet it out. I'll fry your turkey if you're in Charlotte. Yeah, buddy. Small price. We'll talk about that. You pay me back in Miller Lite. Good stuff. Peanut oil. All right, good news. It stopped raining out here. But the sun's going down. It's beautiful out. Sun's going down. There is no sun. It's just clouds left over from the rain. And tonight, it's going to get real cold. And then tomorrow, it's going to be even colder. I think the low tomorrow is going to be 22 overnight. Love it though. Love it. No, not many leaves left. Not many leaves left. Plenty of leaves left in Paul's tree. Yeah. All right, time to go in and make dinner for the family. All right, girls. You ready for bed?
We're not going to bed.
You're not going to bed?
Oh, it's back on.
What are you guys watching?
Oh, your teeth.
What'd you guys do tonight?
No.
Did mommy make you a fantastic dinner?
No.
She didn't? Was it? So who's dancing? For the second time tonight, right? Who do you think's gonna win the Mirror Bowl trophy?
Bethany and Derek.
Wow.
Really?
Emma and Peter. I mean Tommy and Peter.
I think I'm going with Wendy's. But everybody's got a different pick, so.
Tommy and Peter are already in the same final.
Tommy and Peter, yeah, I think they're gonna win it.
No, they're at the bottom of the leaderboard.
Yeah, they're not gonna win it. So.
I remember when the baby was born, really excited for John to have a little sister run.
Hey, thanks for watching the vlog. Appreciate you coming out. Don't forget to thumbs it up if you liked it, and please subscribe to our channel if you want to see some more of us. Invite all your friends and tell them to check out the Ryebreads. Don't forget to take your vitamins, eat your cornbread, have good times. Remember, wake up with a smile on your face, have fun every day. Life's a journey. Enjoy it. Love being here on YouTube. Glad you found us. Once again, tell your friends to check us out. We'll have some fun. Don't forget to comment below. Tell us what you think.